Okay. Second tutorial. This one's for you guys. The other ones you couldn't see. I still have foundation on here. I'm not taking it off. I don't care. Let's get this skin back under control. I'm going to use my Banana Bright Primer today from 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘁𝗆. When my skin is feeling like it needs some stuff, I always reach for this primer. It's just so hydrating and so illuminating and just makes the skin so pretty. And of course, we're going to prime with the Banana Bright Eye Cream as well. Like I always said, I still do my skincare routine during the day, but I always use this as a primer. My concealer just goes on so much better if I have this on. So good. Okay, we're going to be trucking today, but it's going to be a good tutorial. It's going to be more simple though, because I'm a little sleepy. I'm going to use this beautiful palette here. This is from Adeline Morin and Tarte. It's just a beautiful one-stop shop. I got blush, I got highlighter, I have a beautiful eye palette. Let's do it. I'm going to use 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘁𝗆𝗂𝘁 base in Rumor 0.5 today. A little lighter. I'm going to let it sit there for just a second and warm up on my skin there. So I'm going to show you guys how beautifully it blends in. And I find with this eyeshadow primer, I'm always tapping. I don't just kind of rub it back and forth. I always tap. It just goes on smoother. Takes a little bit longer, but it goes on really smooth. Taking my 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘁𝗆𝗂𝘁 S33, swipe up to get it. You guys want it. It's so good. I'm going to start with the deepest shade right here. And this is the reason I love this brush, because not only can I blend, but I can pack on color as well. Swipe up to get this brush. So I'm just grabbing some more of the color. It's called Beat Bop. That's so cute. And we're just going to tap this all the way through the crease. And then we'll tap it over here. Do not worry about the lid. We will get to that shortly. Right now, just tap that on. I love this brush so much, you guys. Look at the pigment. So far, this brown is like so pigmented. I would come back to this palette just for that color. I'm going in this shade here called Contour, and we're going to blend this out. Oh, I love how mustardy this is. Beautiful. Using that same brush, the 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘁𝗆𝗂𝘁 S33. I'm telling you guys, I use this brush like for everything. Just blend this out. Look at the blending. Look at that. Yes to the palette, yes to the brush, yes to all of it. Now I'm just going to take this fluffy brush here, also from 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘁𝗆𝗂𝘁. So good. I'm telling you, this whole brush collection. This is the G34, and I'm just kind of softening the edges here. Blending it upwards. Swipe up to get this brush too. Alright guys, let's grab a little 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘂𝘁𝗆𝗂𝘁 base in the shade Yes Avenue Yellow. Just a touch, like just a little drop. Warm it up. Grab your flat brush. I found it. This is my favorite brush for carving out a lid and anything to do with concealer. But these work so well with the 𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘂𝘁𝗆𝗂𝘁. This is the Dose of Colors concealer brush. I live by this brush as well. Alright, so let's just give this some zhuzh right in the center. Just a little bit of this. Don't worry about it being too pigmented. We're going to use the yellow shadow. But we're just going to go ahead and tap this right through here. Let's see how high we want to take it up. I usually like to take things up to about right here. Kind of fake the lid a bit. Took a drink of my Starbucks. It's so good. I'm going to grab this shade here. And this is a MAC 242S, and we're going to tap this right into the center. Now, this isn't a crazy halo eye. It's not like one of my intense ones, but I just wanted to use this yellow. It was so pretty in there. Let's tap it to about right there. Look at the layering. So good. It's perfect. And then I'm going to grab this shade. We'll stop it. Taking the same MAC 242S, I'm going to go into this shade. This is probably my favorite shade so far. And we'll just tap this right through here. And then on this side as well. Living for these from Dose of Colors. This is from the Minnie Mouse collection. The shade I'm going to use today is called Darling. And we're going to do a chocolatey sparkle wing. Oh my goodness, get ready. Look how pigmented they are. Like, you don't even need anything else. So pretty. And then just fill it in. Easy peasy. Okay, lashes are drying. Look how pretty this is though.
Let me see. Oh my.
Oh my, he says. He says, oh my. Hand me that, baby.
What, baby?
The blinds. No, that. That box. The whole box. Yeah, you have. Trying a new foundation today. This is the Vanish foundation, the liquid foundation from Hourglass. I have 3 shades. Yeah. This one looks pretty good. Let's see what we got. This is the shade Light Beige, Totes Rose. That's what we should call it, is just Totes Rose. That looks pretty good. That'll blend out really nice, depending on how thick it is. I want to use the brush too. I remember I had this brush and I lost it in the move. So always, I'm going to take my foundation and warm it up on the back of my hand. I'm going to do 2 pumps. Love the packaging. This is so beautiful. Okay, let's see what happens here. Whoa, coverage. I can't even tell you how small that small amount is right there. And it's like covering my whole face. And I'm loving it because it actually feels very thin, but it has a lot of pigment. And you guys know I love products that have that, where you don't have to put on a ton of product, but the pigment in the foundation is just incredibly strong. Ooh, and it's matching really pretty too. Okay. Okay, come through. And then over here, this brush feels amazing too. You already know, Kylie concealer. It's just what has to happen.
And what shade?
You tell me them shades.
Gypsum. And then Himalaya.
Throwing on my Lava Lashes in the style Angelic. Make sure you use my code ROSE for a discount. These are my faves. And I'm actually loving this style as well. Look how pretty. Ugh. Okay, I'm living for this brush right now to blend my Kylie concealer. This is a Sigma F something. F03. And I just tap it in. Look how this concealer blends though. I could watch this concealer blend every single. Figure you guys just want to watch it blend a little bit more. Down the nose. I like to bring it on the sides of the nose. And I'll even tap some through here. Just watch it disappear, but like lift and brighten. The best. Love my Kylie. Y'all hear that? That's the sweet victory of my blinds.
Are you talking?
Kylie powder in the shade Soft Pink, my absolute favorite. Take your little powder puff and start to press it in. I'll press it in.
This is my little powder puff.
You are, what is it? The cat. He's pointing at the cat. He's obsessed with Jazzy. Taking one of my Ride or Die favorite bronzers. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Diffuse Bronze Light. You guys know I'm obsessed with this bronzer and I use this in my updated foundation routine. Oh, it's so good. Just blend it in with my Smith 151. Also, I use this exact combination in my updated foundation routine. So if you guys need links, just check out my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Put that in your hairline. Woo! Alright, so I just finished underneath here with the 2 shades in my crease. I'm taking my MAC 228. I'm going to grab this shade right here. Look at this. And we're just going to pop this right underneath here. Just right in the center. I don't want it to be like as intense. It's not really halo eye. Just a little zhuzh for when the sunlight hits it. Look at that. Woo, girl. I actually love this. I don't use this as a setting spray. You still got to use Jarred Cosmetics because nothing seals like this one. But I like this one to get rid of any excess powdery look. So we're going to spray our face down. See that? It's just super dewy. Okay, we got to do that wild inner corner. So I'm going to be needing some ColourPop Ladybird.
Ladybird.
Coming in hot.
What about the tassel?
Tassel's too white for this. I still want to keep these a little bit more
Is this a JT
champagne.
Power Hour?
It is a JT Power Hour. And let me tell you why.
Why?
Because I have problems.
What kind of problems?
The JT Power Hour ones. Loving the palette because it also has blush in it. And this is like the perfect shade. Y'all, I've gotten real blushy in my old age. I'm like, let's just put it on. Let's just go 80s
She
style.
has.
Ben gets, look at me. He's not going to like it.
Oh, Lord.
See? Get out of here. I'll fix it. Will I? I like it like this. This is like the perfect shade.
It goes through seasons.
It goes through blushy seasons. And no matter what, I always go over everything with the blender. It's just going to work it in, get rid of too much, take away any excess, and just turn it back into skin. And then even across the forehead. You want to work in the bronzer, all of it. Alright, I'm going to take the highlighter as well. Oh, girl! We were not... Oh, my God! Oh, my goodness! This is so pretty! Oh, my... Okay. Oh, hold the phone! Okay, I have a highlighter mustache, which can easily be fixed. Or do we want to fix it? Because I kind of like it. And then we'll go over the sides. I'm just going over the sides of this. But my God, what a pretty highlighter. I was not expecting that. Tarte did not come to play. They were like, here's a highlighter. And we're like, thank you very much. Let's go ahead and put it on our brow bone. Tie it all in. We're about to be extra shiny out there in that sunlight.
I'm drilling here.
I'm painting.
I'm drilling.
I'm going to use these Tarte lipsticks as well. This is the shade Pink Sands. I'm going to throw this on first. It's just a really pretty nude. And then we'll use the gloss too. I added a little bit of Kylie lip liner in the shade Malibu. And now I'm just going to pill lipstick. Look how pretty it is. And then I want to put this on top. This is also in the shade Pink Sands. This is the gloss, the H2O gloss. I'm not mad. I have blinds. I'm not mad. Noise it up over there, baby. Whoa. Gotta spray my Slay All Day. This is the only setting spray that actually sets my makeup and makes it stay.
All day?
All day. Just slay it all day. Gerard Cosmetics, code ROSE for a discount.